And so if you pick one of these platforms, you can make a full-time income just by creating content. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website. I'm going to show you some examples of people that are doing it and how you can get started too. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn 10 ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I've earned commissions with everything from security cameras to web hosting, sound bars, microwave stand mixers, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. So as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing 100% for free. You don't have to take your credit card out of your wallet. You can get started today and start seeing some passive income fast. So let's go ahead and jump right into my computer. The first example that I want to show you is on TikTok. Yes, TikTok is a great place to start affiliate marketing, and you can promote any product or service. Now, with a website like TikTok, you want to talk about a journey. You don't necessarily have to do keyword research at this instance while things are gravitating that way. But right now you can talk about your journey. So if you are a woodworker, you can talk about how you went from learning how to start woodworking to crafting your own products or services or templates. Another option that you can do over on TikTok is you can hire somebody to work for you, but that's not required. Now, before I continue, I should mention that you should always be doing email marketing. Email marketing is going to be what really drives your success as an affiliate marketer. In fact, 90% of people that are going to buy from you aren't going to buy on the first go around. They're going to buy on the 5th, 6th, 12th instance. And so what you want to do is you want to use a free service like Aweber or even GetResponse to build out your landing pages. Aweber and GetResponse are free for your first 500 customers. So in fact, you don't have to spend a dime. Now getting back over to TikTok, and TikTok can be done a few different ways. What you see on the screen here, how I do it is I set up my camera and I spend a Saturday just talking into my camera based on different ideas that I've created. Another way is to hold your phone up in front of good lighting and create content that way. Any way will work, and you can see you can create content on anything. I'm just going to type in best, and you can see stuff comes up. Best friend, best Reddit. We can see best, let's do best soundbar like this. Best soundbar. Best soundbars for TV. If we click on this, you could create a list of the 10 best soundbars for TV and then put your link to either a product that you recommend, or what I recommend is your landing page, and you can make money this way. Look at this, best soundbar. People are getting thousands of views, 48,000 views, 3,000 views on your best soundbar. But that's number one. Number two is actually with YouTube. I love doing YouTube, and obviously you're on YouTube, so you enjoy it too. And again, with YouTube, because it's an older, more established platform, you're going to want to do a little bit of research. For example, if we take the same example, best soundbar like this, and with YouTube, you have a few options. You can do best soundbar 2022, best soundbar for TV, best soundbar under $1,000. If we click on best soundbar under $500, for example, you can see that there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views to be had. Look at this. Best soundbar under $500, 9.5 thousand views, 38,000 views, 290,000 views, simply putting together a list of the best soundbars. And what you'll do is you'll go grab your links from Amazon or Best Buy, wherever, and you're going to put them in the description of your videos. And it's really as easy as that. You could create an entire YouTube channel for best X under Y or best X for Y. I make a full-time income that way. Now, what you will want to do when it comes to YouTube is upload probably about 3 to 4 times per week to get started. And once you start getting traction and start seeing success, you can pull back as needed. But you can see that this is an opportunity as well. After YouTube, we have Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is really, really great. The reason why I like Pinterest is there are people that are actually searching for a solution. Now we come over here, and once again, we can type in best soundbar like this, and we need to search all pens, not just my pens, but you're gonna see best soundbars under $1,000. Once again, over here on Pinterest. As you can see, I'm taking the exact same keyword and I'm typing it in different places, and you can see there are tons of people that are looking for this content. Now, what you'd want to do here is you'd want to link over to a website, a blog post. You could actually create a blog post within Aweber or GetResponse with a list of your 4 or 5 best soundbars under $1,000. Grab your links from Amazon and put them in that web page that you set up. And when they click on the affiliate links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. But you can see that this is working all day and all night with the exact same keyword in different places. Another great place to go is actually with Instagram. But before I jump over to Instagram, let me talk a little bit more about Pinterest. What I recommend that you do for Pinterest is actually with video pins. Video pins get more engagement. They're actually pushed a little bit more than regular normal pins by Pinterest because they realize that video is the way to go. That's going to keep people on the platform the most. And so if you can do video pins so that you can get the most traction as possible. Now jumping over to Instagram. Instagram is great because a lot of people are over on Instagram, but we can do something a little bit different. We're going to have to look at maybe tech. We're going to have to zoom out a little bit, and we're going to do hashtag, let's do sound bars like this, sound bar like this. Hit, as you can see, 170,000, 18,000 posts for sound bars. And what I would recommend that you do, and what's really working right now on Instagram, is Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are basically TikToks for Instagram. It's Instagram's and Facebook's answer to TikTok, but it can work for Reels as well. So if we looked at my profile, I'm going to show you that I'm actually getting more traction over on Instagram right now with Instagram Reels than TikTok. And my process is really simple. I'll upload a video over to TikTok, and then I'll upload the exact same video over to Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, and then away I go. But if you look at this, my Reels, the last 3 of the last 4 videos have over 2,000 views. And wherever you can get views, you can get likes, you can get comments, and you can make money. But you can see here that I am actually doing fairly well over on Instagram when you compare that to, if we look at my page for TikTok. But one thing that I want you to notice with Instagram is I don't have a huge number of followers. I have 760 followers. That is absolutely nothing when it comes to a fan base or a following over on Instagram. But you can see that I'm getting substantial views. Now the key will be to upload consistently. One of the things that I do incorrectly is I'm not consistent on Instagram, and when I post inconsistently, you can see there are inconsistent results. But what I recommend that you do is post consistently. Another place that you can go to find a lot of traffic that literally nobody talks about is actually with Reddit. Now Reddit gets hundreds of millions of views every single month, okay? And people are coming to Reddit because they have a problem. They either want to be entertained or they have a problem that they need solving. And Reddit is just like these other platforms out here, except for it's a little bit more spicy. You have to be careful when you're searching Reddit, but you can type in something like best sound bar under $500, we'll say, and hit enter. And once again, you're going to see people are asking this exact same question. And whenever people are asking questions, that's going to be your opportunity to answer those questions. And once again, you can answer the question with an affiliate link. But you can see people, there's an entire subreddit, which are individual communities within Reddit, that people are asking about soundbars, best soundbar under $500, but they're asking the same question outside of just this subreddit. So you can see that this is an opportunity, a pretty good opportunity to potentially make some money as long as you are actually being helpful. One of the things that can happen with Reddit is if you're not helpful, they will ridicule you. They'll kick you out of the group or the subreddit, and you won't have access anymore. But Reddit can be a great place. Another place that you can go that nobody talks about is actually with LinkedIn. Now, most people assume that LinkedIn is a place to find a job, but in reality, LinkedIn is a place to grow your personal brand and grow your business. So if you have a business, if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, LinkedIn is a great place because there's tons of interaction. Now, once LinkedIn pops up, we can search and look for people talking about soundbars once again. Now, LinkedIn, just like Facebook, has groups that you can take advantage of. They have video posts. LinkedIn, I think, is a really untapped opportunity because of the assumptions that are made when talking about LinkedIn. So we could say something like best soundbar. Now, you might want to change your focus when talking about LinkedIn. Instead of soundbars, which I spelled incorrectly, best soundbar You might want to do something like best web hosting, but if we hit enter, best soundbar, beast. I spelled everything wrong there. So if we come back over here, best like this, hit enter, best soundbar, LinkedIn post. If you can look at this here, if you're looking for the best soundbar for watching TV, search no further because we bring top 11. So people are creating content about the best soundbars, and this links out to their website. You could link out to a blog post or to an affiliate link, but you can see here that people are asking questions literally about everything. And so LinkedIn can be a great place if you are looking for somewhere that's less saturated, in my opinion. After LinkedIn, we have Facebook, and within Facebook, there are a few different ways, which I'm going to show you. Now, the first way is with Facebook Reels. Reels, again, are Facebook's answer to TikTok videos. And one of the cool things that you can do with Reels that you can't do on TikTok is you can actually put your links in the comment section. So this is a reel that I just clicked on. Now what you can do is you can come down here, and I recommend that you do this for your reels and not for other people's reels, is once you upload a reel, you can go into the upload and leave the first comment with your link to your website, your blog, or whatever it may be. So let me just refresh this and see if this can work. But this is a real cool opportunity because it's an actual link. It's a hot link. When people click on the link, and it can link out to an affiliate product or your landing page or whatever it may be. On TikTok, you're not allowed to do that just yet, so I think this is a really cool opportunity. If we look here, it looks like the comment section finally opened up. So this is actually a product over a reel from Instagram. The other thing that I like about Facebook Reels is there's not a lot of content on Facebook Reels yet. And what you noticed and what I alluded to is that Facebook is actually pulling reels from Instagram and showing them there. So if you want a less saturated way, you can use something like Facebook Reels. After Facebook Reels, we have Facebook groups. Yes, Facebook groups are still wildly profitable and important and get a lot of people. And so what you can do is you can create a group. As you can see here, I've got a Facebook group, Successful and Happy Affiliate Marketers, where we talk about all things affiliate marketing. As you can see here, I posted niche idea running gear, and it gives people an opportunity to look at niches that are off the beaten track or beaten path a little bit. But anyway, you can create a brand new Facebook group about anything. If we click on groups here, we could do soundbar groups, we could do home entertainment, different groups, and then you can recommend different soundbars depending on the need. So if we type in, I'm just going to type in soundbar once again, hit enter, then you're going to see that there are different groups that are just dedicated to just soundbars. Best soundbars for a 75-inch TV, your best soundbar for this and that, or under $500. And you can see once again, there are soundbar community, 4.6 thousand members, JBL bar discussion, lots of opportunities when people are talking about soundbars. But it doesn't obviously just have to be soundbars. It can be about literally anything. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to create maybe 3 or 4 pieces of content every single day. And then eventually Facebook will start recommending your group to people that have expressed interest in similar topics. After Facebook, we have Quora. I really like Quora because people from around the world are asking questions. Now, again, if people are asking questions, that is your opportunity to make money. And what you're going to do is you're just going to come up to Quora and you're going to click in search. And so we're going to type in, once again, best soundbar. Now, one thing that I want you to notice, and I want to keep reiterating this, people are asking the same question in multiple websites. Some people prefer going to Quora than going over to Pinterest. And so if you pick one of these platforms, you can make a full-time income if you are consistent. So we can type in something like best soundbar like this, and then we're going to click on search. And once again, you're going to see that people are asking about soundbars. What is the best soundbar for music playback? What is the best soundbar for Dolby Atmos? I think I said that wrong, but if we go down to questions here, you're going to see, once again, people are asking questions. What is the best soundbar for TV and PC? Which is the best soundbar for TV up to 15,000 feet maybe? Not sure. But you can see that people are asking the exact same question in multiple places. And when you realize that you can make a full-time income just by creating content and focusing on one of these locations. Now, if you want to make even more money and double your efforts, you pick 1 or 2 of these, put them together, and then you can make even more money. So the final one that I want to show you today is actually with a forum site. Yes, forums are still widely popular in 2022. If we look at this forum is about woodworking. There's 76,000 members, 956,000 posts about woodworking. And so you can promote different woodworking projects. If you like that ClickBank, Ted's Woodworking, you could promote that. You could promote different miter saws or different things that you need for woodwork. You can actually promote wood. Amazon sells different types of wood. There are different affiliate programs for different types of wood. And so you can make money literally with any of these. And so just to recap real quick, we have forums, we have Quora. There's like 3 ways to do it with Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram Reels, Pinterest Pins, YouTube, and even TikTok. Now that you know 9 ways to make money online with affiliate marketing without a website, for free, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.